2018 Chrysler Pacifica. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. A little more to it than a regular cabin air filter. Usually Toyotas and Hondas are super easy. These American vans and trucks, they kind of take a little bit more, but it's still not that bad. So what we want to do is just open this, and there's a little this little string is what makes it open slow. So you could get this off in two ways. If you look right here, if you pull it down to the opening, then you could pull the whole thing out, or if you want to just remove the string, you can remove the string off the black bar. So it's kind of tight, so what you want to do is just kind of push the lid up, and then I'm just going to do the string, take the string off, and it just goes back right there. I don't know if you can see, it doesn't go back too far. And then the sides right here, we're going to squeeze the sides and pull this down. So squeeze the sides enough to where it comes out. Do that on both sides. That's gonna get tough. Okay, so, and then you can just lower it. If you have a bunch of stuff in your glove box, it might not be a good idea to let it fall. Then this black cover has to come off. There's these clips. There's one right here. Looks like there's not one right there, but then they got one right here and right here. So let's go ahead and just push the center of those like that, gently, and then you could just pull it out like that. And let's see if you can just leave those other ones in. So you could just have this out like that if you don't want to mess with those other clips. This is our cabin filter door, and then if you want to take this whole thing off, just do the same for that clip and that clip. But be aware there's a light bulb right here, so it might be connected to a wire harness. Just like that. And then you could disconnect this light right here on that white connector. So to get this off, it looks like there was screws in here before, so if there's screws, just unscrew them, and then you come here and see if I can zoom in for you guys. This little piece right here, push up, and then you could remove this. So you push this up and then pull the lid back like that, and it'll start coming off. Do that on both sides like that. Notice that says down right there. So I'll pull this out. Alright, so I got my old filter right here, my new one right here. Sorry about the autofocus, guys. We're going to put this in the same way with that arrow pointing down. Let's go ahead and put it in. Just kind of get it in there. Okay, just like that. And then we'll put this lid back on. Just kind of put it over it, clip it back in. It should kind of do like a little clipping noise. And let's put our cover back on. Just plug your light back in, and we'll just push this back up here. You know, these clips, they break pretty easy, so just something to look out for. You might need to put something in there to hold that back up. I got a replacement one here, so I'm just going to use this. Okay, got that. And this one should just go back in. You just push it back in. Alright, and this one. Alright, so we got that in. You could tuck that into that spot. Get these right. Kind of got to go downwards to get those on the hooks. Push this up. I can reach behind here with my arm to get this string back on. And I'll use my other hand to get it on the spot. That's how it's supposed to look correctly. Alright guys, and just make sure it shuts good, and then when it opens it goes slow. If you can't get the string on, it's not that big a deal, but you know, it's nice to have it open slow. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Comments are great. Thanks for watching.